You can see it's ripped pretty good right there. And it was allowing water to get into my truck. Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever had one of those days where things just get old and worn out and they just quit working? Well, it just so happens that that's what's happened to the door seal in my 2005 Toyota Tacoma. I'm Jerry and I'm living the Newcomb. Alright guys, so on today's video I am going to attempt to replace the door seal in my driver's side door on my Toyota Tacoma. Here's the information. Alright, so here's the new door seal, and not sure if the camera's picking it up okay, but on the upper part there's adhesive and clips all along it, and along the bottom side is a lot of clips. So basically it looks like you just pull the old one out and put the new one in. Okay, now that we have the seal off, I need to remove this bolt so I can fully remove the seal. Okay, I have a 10mm socket. And then we just remove the seal. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a clip right here that's not like any of the other ones, and it's kind of flared out right here, and that goes up in this corner. So I'm going to put that in first, kind of so it'll be an anchor point. So that just snapped right in. Now I'm going to put the door seal around this arm right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to remove the adhesive as far down as I need to go to the next tab, and keep going until I'm all the way through the adhesive. The adhesive, or double-sided tape, is really what it is. It only goes on this top portion right here. Everything else is just done by pressure. So I'm trying to push down that adhesive as much as I can so it'll seal. But it's going back on really easy. Feels like it's seated really well. So it's literally just putting these clips in the hole. Now I just need to put the bolt back in right here. Okay, so I've noticed it helps. You do have to rock the door back and forth to make sure that the bolt goes in smoothly. All right, guys, so here's the new seal inside the truck. Looks pretty good. And now we're going to test and see if it's working. So I put some paper towels down here so that if any water comes through, hopefully I'll see it on the paper towels and then we'll be able to stop it. But it looks like it's holding good. I mean, you're not going to get any more of a downpour than that. All right, let's see how it looks. None of the paper towel got wet. I think we are good to go, guys. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. If this video helped you guys, please leave a comment below. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps our channel grow. And hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one. So that just snapped right in. Good.